To begin, ensure you have access to the Bolt application, which can be downloaded and accessed at any time. Simply search for Bolt in the App Support search bar. Download it, and fill out the required details to explore its features. The application provides a wide array of options, including geographical location and key landmarks. To change payment methods, navigate to the top left part of the screen and select the hamburger menu, where you will find options such as account name, rating, payment, promotions, and support. Select the Payments option, which will display your Bolt balance, transactions, and payment methods. From here, you can add or change payment methods by choosing to add a debit or credit card, filling in the required details, or opting for cash methods. Additionally, you can set up a work profile if necessary. The application offers a range of features and options, making it easy to manage your payments and efforts.